Let's dive into division. 204 divided by 2. Hey super math stars, welcome back to Let's Stud, your favorite place for awesome math adventures. If you're having fun learning, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our cool videos. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We bring down the first digit of 204, which is 2. We're focusing on this 2 right now. Now we ask ourselves, how many times does 2 fit into 2? It fits exactly 1 time. Let's check our work. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. That matches the number we're working with. Time to subtract. 2 minus 2 equals 0. No remainder here. Fantastic. You're doing amazing. That first step was a breeze. Now let's move to the next digit. Get ready. Here we go with the next digit. It's time to focus on the next part of our number. We bring down the next digit from 204, which is 0. Now we have 0 to work with. How many times does our divisor 2 fit into 0? It fits 0 times. Let's multiply to be sure. 0 times 2 is 0. Perfect. Subtracting now. 0 minus 0 gives us 0. We're still on a roll. You're crushing it. Each step gets us closer to the answer. Ready for the last digit. Let's keep this energy going. Last stop on our division journey. Let's tackle this final digit. We bring down the last digit of 204, which is 4. Our current number is 4. Now how many times does 2 go into 4? It goes in 2 times. Time for multiplication. 2 times 2 equals 4, exactly what we needed. Subtracting. 4 minus 4 equals 0. We did it. No remainder. Woohoo, you've successfully completed all the steps. High five. We've reached the end of our division problem. Let's see the final answer. So we found out that 204 divided by 2 is 102. Great job, everyone! We tackled each step of dividing 204 by 2 like true math champions. Remember, every long division problem is just a series of smaller, manageable steps. Keep practicing and you'll become division wizards in no time. That's all for today, math stars. Keep shining and keep exploring. See you in the next video on Let's Stud for more math fun.